Bobby Hurd, I'm with the American College of Emergency Physicians and their Chief Operating Officer. And ACEP is extremely excited to be in Philadelphia. I got to tell you, it's like a surprise destination. Philadelphia has an incredible convention team, from the sales cycle all the way to then supporting us while we're here with the convention services team. The CVB has been tremendous in bringing expertise of content speakers where we lack, creating really cool engagement experiences at some incredible venues that have really wowed people. So we have close to 10,000 that are here for this meeting. So Philadelphia certainly is a accessible destination. What's been really rewarding for me is to hear great things from our attendees. It's such a foodie town, it's such a sports town, it's a walkable town. It's just been a very smooth experience with the CVB really helping us bring this meeting to life.